Dr. Stunderjet.
Hello everyone and welcome to the next exciting episode of Dr. Stunderjet. We'd like to send a special shout out to the SSI, Miss Laura. None of this would be possible without her. And also Spencer Vandevier, the Vandevier breaks, and Rico Carofino. You know who you are, darling. Today we are going to talk about the different kinds of connectors. These are pot metal, these are plastic, nylon, and these are the joining pins. And so we will give a demonstration. You have one pin goes in the hole and another pin goes in the other hole. If you have a screwdriver, you might want to check your contacts, pull them out a little bit, make sure they are not dirty or rusty. Then you put the other track together, yeah? Just like that. Then you take one of your connection pins, connection clip, depending on which way you go. Now, what you want to do is prevent what is known as rail click. A rail click is when the car comes in, so you're going the wrong way, and you hit it, and you hear it go around. So, what you want to do is make sure you have the same direction, or fix it. Yeah? Any question on that? Next we have the screw. The screw goes in the track to put it in the board. I don't know exactly the measurement, but it'll work. That's the one. Has a small head, fits right in. No problem, yeah? And last but not least, in this particular episode, we're going to talk about the track repair clip, which goes at the bottom. Like say, for example, you have a problem with that. You put that in like that, it's sticking there good and proper, it's not going anywhere, yeah? These are good for single lane track and also the bank turns. If there's any question, please feel free to leave comment in the bottom. Have a great day, be safe, we love you. Shout out to everybody all around the world, all the boys and girls in slot car land. Have a great day, God bless you.
Dr. Stunderjet.